Apple reported earnings yesterday after the bell, and Wall Street loved the news. This article is coming from CNN Business. Apple posted second consecutive quarterly revenue decline. So it's kind of odd. I think the results were somewhat mixed, but hopeful. So again, Apple on Thursday reported that its revenue fell 3% for the first 3 months of the year. Consumers scaled back spending on smartphones and computers. Company's revenue was slightly better than expected, but nevertheless represented a second consecutive quarterly revenue decline for the iPhone maker. Now, Apple attempted to appease Wall Street by announcing another $90 billion in buybacks. Tim Cook said Apple hit a March record quarter for iPhone sales despite the challenging macroeconomic environment. Apple also posted an all-time service sales record of $20 billion for the quarter. Apple now has more than 975 million paid subscribers across its services, up 150 million. The company's better than expected sales report suggests that Apple's premium smartphone business may be insulated from concerns about deteriorating consumer confidence and a worsening macro outlook. So, to summarize, you had EPS and revenue beat, you had iPhone revenue beat, you had a gross margin higher than expected, you had increased dividend and buybacks, and that's probably what did it, right? Reading between the lines. Now, I think the other reason why Apple popped was it is roughly 8% of the S&P, and what we had this morning at 8:30 was a stronger than expected jobs report, and I think the markets are sensing that although the economy is still resilient, that later this year the Feds are actually going to have to start cutting rates because a recession is inevitable at this point. So if we go to the charts, we can see that, and I've been talking about this on several videos, shorts, that price was going to get to this monthly sellers level regardless, because that's where the liquidity is at, right? You can see the momentum to the upside as well, as price did nip into this monthly buyers level, and it's been upstream ever since. However, I do anticipate as price gets into that level, you have to expect some pullbacks, right? The people down at the monthly buyers are going to want to take profits, right? And if the institutions got long down at this level, it's going to be liquidity up here that's going to allow them to get out or to take some profits, right? So I do anticipate price reversing, even if it's a small pullback, but you can't continue to go up without any major pullbacks. We're also going to get into the summer months. You think about the stock market has been pretty much in an uptrend the last several months, or really since the beginning of the year, and a 10% correction is inevitable. So until next time, thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.